How to put a header on only one page in Google Docs. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google Docs. You'll find Insert option. Scroll down till you find Headers and Footers. Click on Header. Make sure there's tick mark in different first page. After doing that, simply click on Insert again. You'll find Break option below page numbers. Click on Break, and then there will be no header or only specific header in only one page. Break is not available on my device. And this is how to put a header on only one page in Google Docs. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off until next time.